and you can go to the archives of Malaysia and maybe a part of Indonesia, and you would know na bago dumating ang mga katsila Amerikano, ang Mindanao, Islam na talaga. But they were a peaceful tribe. When the Spaniards came, they brought along with them the muskets and the cannons and gunpowder. Doon umiyak ang mga Moro. First time nakita nila yung putok. And much more later, Americano with their guns, their 45s, they were able to conquer already the entrails of Mindanao. Kaya pagdating ng Amerikano, they introduced the